what happens with our skin is because of the constant makeup, the constant treatment that's going through our hair, skin, our skin tends to look, or age faster maybe compared to a normal person. If we weren't in this industry, probably we'd look much more younger. This is something that's a part of it. But yes, you do take care of, as far as, at least what we do is take off the makeup before going to bed. You can't sleep with makeup. There's not
use it only for the time when it's required and not use it throughout.
Even for regular interviews and, small little things, we, at least the both of us, we never use base or,
but even
maybe
for ramp,
lipstick
nowadays,
or basic.
even for ramp, we've started using the thick makeup which people used to use earlier.
So it's good brands, so which does make a difference. And of course, your general routine of cleaning your face, moisturizing it, a little bit of workout also helps because it creates blood circulation and that
food habits. You need to look into the food habit because that's
avoid
one
too much
important
of oily
factor.
food, which helps the skin. So all these little normal, these are very, very normal things that I think most human beings should be doing this.
My last question: do you think in this industry, modeling as well as the film industry, the term Godfather does make a difference?
I'm sure it does, depending on whether you want to use it or not. So yeah.
Well, if you're asking us, as the wrong person, because we've never had any Godfather in the
modeling industry. And film industry, we've not so ambitious to step into and say that no, it's a must that we have to do it. No, so
just as a general thing, we've been seeing people around. We've been seeing people who have certain kind of relations inside the industry, they do really well.
Yes, but that plays an advantage. We have worked our way. We have to prove ourselves at every step to reach a point.
It's very easy to reach somewhere by using your name.
Hey, let one person talk.
And after that, it depends on your caliber. I mean, a so-and-so's son or a so-and-so's daughter can get the banner. But to show his talents or her talents on camera is up to that person. So,
like what I'm saying, it's much easier in your earlier days. When you're a nobody, you need to establish yourself, which is a very, very difficult procedure for someone who doesn't have a godfather. But it becomes equally easy for, just as easy for a person who has a godfather. At the end of the day, she's correct. You have to be good. But then you skip out on the struggle period because you have someone backing you up.
Yes, there is an advantage, but at the same time you have to prove yourself. You can't just be up
prove
there because
yourself
there's a
anyways.
Godfather.
You have to. But yet, it is an advantage.
Talent is very important.
Complete advantage.